dear students. How are you all? I am Poonam Chaudhary. Again we have to start our online session 2. So I am welcoming you all in this our online session 2. We have to start our chapter numbers and numeration that we already done in that before lecture online session 1. So in this lesson, online session 2 we have to start the new things in this chapter. Firstly, we have to revise some important things about the previous lectures. Hope you all will be good at home and stay fit and healthy also. So students, let's start our lecture. Numbers and numeration. Today we are going to revise this chapter only. You have to understand the important things with me. What's in the chapter. Number 1 is that what is the numeration, that you have to see in the chapter numbers and numeration. So numbers, you all know what is the numbers, but about the numeration we have to understand what is the numeration. Numeration is that an organized way of writing the numerals. Numeral means the numbers. The organized way you have to write, how you will write the numbers, that we have to understand in the numerals only. So second one is that the place value. The most important thing is that place value and the face value that we have to done in our previous lectures. That thing. So today we have to revise again what is the place value. The value of a digit determined by its position. It means the number we have to determine by its position, like number at the which place, like ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, that we have to understand in that. So I have made one table for you, and from this table we have to easily understand how we will write the place value of the number. So see here with me, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and the lakh. So I am going to start with one example. You have to understand with me. 7. You can see here 7 at the place of 10,000. So how many zero we have to put in the 10,000? Tell me. In 1,000 we have to put 3 zeros, but in 10,000 we have to put one more zero. So it will total zeros are there 4. So see here 7 at the place of 10,000, and how we will understand 7 at the place of 10,000. Okay, and what will be the position of the 7? What is the value of the 7? That is the 70,000. Now second one is that 0 at the place of thousands. In the place value and the face value, 0 will be a 0 in face value and in the place value. You have to remind this thing. Always keep in your mind 0 will be 0 in the place value and the face value also. So 0 multiply by 0 at the place of 1,000 we have to put here 0 only. So 0 will come here. Second one is that we have to write here. See once you see here, I will show you the things. 1,000 and the 0. 0 is the place of 1,000. So I will show you how 0 will come. 1,000, 0. Now you have to multiply 0 by 1,000. Now tell me what will come. When you have to multiply any number to the 0, then answer will come only 0. So the thing is that when you have to multiply by 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, anything you have to multiply by 0, so answer will come only 0. Now at the place of 100, it will be a face value is 9, and how we will change it in the place value? That is 9 at the place of 100. So it will be a 900. 1 at the place of tens. 1 into 10 equal to 10. And the 8 in the place of ones is 8. Now we have done the place value chart. Now see here with me, 8 at the place of ones, 10 in the place of tens, 900 in the place of 100, 0 in the place of thousands, and the 70,000 at the place of 10,000. That you have to do practice at home. After practicing, it will be easy for you students. Okay? And any doubt, any query you can ask with your queries, questions you have to ask to me also. When we have to start our live classes, in that you have to ask to me the things. What is the doubt? Now, so next one we have to start Indian numeration system. That Indian numeration system we have done in our previous lecture also. Today we have to revise. It will be easy for you when you have to understand this. Upper side crores, lakh, thousand and ones. Crore, lakh, thousand and one. It will be a period. Thousands, lakhs, crores, lakhs, thousands and ones. These are called as periods, and these periods will be divided into different parts. Ones at the place of ones will be divided into 3 parts: ones, tens, and 100. Thousands is divided into 2 parts: 1,000 and 10,000. Lakh also divided into 2 parts: lakh and 10 lakh. Crore will be also divided into 2 parts: crore and 10 crore. This is called an Indian numeration system that we have to done in our previous classes, like first, second, third, that we have to read only about Indian numeration system. But in this class we have to understand about the international numeration system also. So let's do our next one thing, that is international numeration system. This will be divided into 3 periods, that is millions, thousands and ones. First, ones will be divided in Indian and international will be both. Ones divided into 3 parts, and international also will be divided into 3 parts: hundreds, tens and 1. And after that, here will be thousands will be divided into 3 parts, but in Indian it will divided into only 2 parts. So see here, thousands, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So three parts will be divided in international numeration system: millions, million, 10 million and 100 million. Now you have to differentiate in both. What will be a change? Now see here, the ones in Indian and in international, they both will be the same. Indian also will be divided into 3 parts, and the international also 3 parts will be divided. And after that, after onwards, we have to check what will be the difference are there. See here, in Indian, thousands will be divided into 2 parts, that is 1,000 and 10,000. But in international numeration system, it will be divided into 3 parts. See here, 3 parts: 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. And million also will be divided into 3 parts: million, 10 million and 100 million. But in Indian, crore will be divided into 2 parts, lakhs will be divided into 2 parts, lakh, 10 lakh. So with our one example, we have to understand how we will put the commas in international and Indian numeration system. So see here, one example for the Indian is that if I write any number, and the thing is that how you will put the commas according to Indian numeration system. So see here, Indian numeration system, how you will put the commas. According to this table, we have to put the commas. See here, at the place ones, tens and 100, we have to put 3 commas here. And after that, again you check 1,000 and 10,000. That is 1,000 and 10,000, and we have to put the commas. And lakh and 10 lakh. That is lakh and 10 lakh. See here, in Indian, after first 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, put the commas, and after every 2 digits we have to put the commas. 92, 98 before we have to put the commas. And how we will read it? 98,92,700 27. We have to read like this only. And same example we have to do in international also. Like in the chart, we have seen ones and ones will be same. So we have to put after 3 digit a comma. And after every 3 digits. See here in the thousands, ones, tens and hundred. We have to put the after 3 digit in put the comma. So thing is that in Indian, first 3 digit put comma, after 2 digit put comma, and after again put 2 digit we have to put the commas. But in international we have to put the after 3 digit. After 3 digit we have to put the commas. Hope you all will be understand this session. In this session we have to remind these things. What is the numeration? What is the place value? And the Indian numeration system and the international numeration system, we have to learn about these things. So students, you all will be understand these things. You have to revise at home. In next session we have to, in next lecture we have to start our next exercises. So hope you all will be understand. Thank you students.